Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing my real experience with a Philips 34-inch curved ultra-wide monitor. I bought this monitor from Amazon using the link in the description. And if you're planning to buy it, I recommend using the same link because you usually get the best price and genuine product there right after unboxing. The first thing you notice is how clean and premium this monitor looks. The frameless design makes the screen feel even bigger, and on a desk setup, it instantly gives that professional, high-end look. The curve is very comfortable, not aggressive, and it feels natural the moment you start using it. The height-adjustable stand is a big plus. You can easily adjust it to eye level, which really helps during long working hours. Now let's talk about the most important thing, the display quality. This ultra-wide screen is absolutely immersive. Whether you're working, watching content, or gaming, the screen just pulls you in. Colors look rich, vibrant, and punchy. Text is sharp. Videos look cinematic. And overall, the screen feels very easy on the eyes even after long usage. For people doing editing, productivity work, or multitasking, this display feels like a major upgrade. Once you start using an ultra-wide like this, going back to a normal monitor feels difficult. For gaming, the experience is very smooth and fluid. Fast movements feel responsive, and gameplay feels more controlled and enjoyable. Racing games, open-world games, and story-based titles look especially amazing on this wide curved screen. It's not just about gaming. Even simple scrolling and daily usage feels noticeably smoother. If you work on a laptop, the USB-C charging feature is super convenient. One cable handles display, charging, and data. Your desk stays clean with fewer wires. The MultiView PIP/PBP feature is extremely useful. You can use two devices at the same time on one screen, which is great for productivity, trading, coding, or office work. Overall, this Philips monitor delivers an excellent balance of premium display, smooth performance, and productivity features. The experience feels polished, immersive, and genuinely satisfying for daily use. I bought it from Amazon, and I placed the buying link in the description.